Hi there, everybody. Hey, welcome back to another video. This is Marybeth and allow me to begin by sharing with you a little bit more continued proof that this amazing system absolutely works. I've actually been part of it now for just about nearly 3 years, and it is absolutely going strong. It's actually on fire. We have people joining us all week long from all around the world in record numbers, and I had another new team member join me at the $600 level, which is our premium level digital product, by far our most popular. So here's just a little bit more continued proof of what is possible when you show up every single day, commit, and stay consistent with your marketing efforts. Now allow me to bring you inside of the back office so I can just give you a sneak preview of what you're going to get when you become part of this amazing system, okay? And all we're doing is we're simply following a simple step-by-step blueprint. There's no tech involved. This is very beginner friendly and it's something anybody can do. All we do is we follow simple step-by-step video tutorials, and then we apply and we implement exactly what we're learning. It's very easy. They're short videos. They literally walk you through step by step exactly what to do and how to do it. And anybody can do this, okay? So allow me to bring you inside right now of our premium level product package. Okay, so you can see exactly what you're going to get. Now, there's tremendous value here. This is very beginner friendly. If you're someone who aspires to become your own digital boss in 2024, then you want to take a serious look at this. This is going to give you everything you need. It's going to completely equip you for success in the most ideal earn while you learn business model, okay? So you come back here, you start at the very top left and you plug in and you just go in order. You follow the simple steps, okay? So everything that you need to succeed is right here. Personal development, which is equally important to skill set with the winning mindset and the art of persuasion and influence. I highly recommend you dive into those, okay? As quickly as possible, because they will definitely keep you focused and grounded, and that's very, very important. And they give you all of the pre-written ads. So what this does is it eliminates the guesswork out of the equation. You never have to stress, you never have to worry about writing ads, composing ads, okay? They're all here ready to go, pre-written, plus 90 bonus image ads, all right? And they even give you a 7-day action plan for success. So it shows you, it gives you a good idea what to do every single day of the week. This becomes your income producing activities, okay? Now here is the training in the video on how to post unlimited ads on high traffic websites for free. So you take these ads right here and you follow this step-by-step video training tutorial, okay? Very, very easy. And you come down here and you pick one of these to get you started, whether it be Facebook Marketing Mastery, Craigslist Marketing, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. Now, social media, folks, right now is absolutely trending. There's something like over 4.8 billion people on social media. So there's tons and tons of people, folks, to get your content out there in front of so that you can get discovered and so that you can start turning a percentage of your leads that you're going to be generating by following this training into paid signups. Very, very easy. Okay? So again, everything is right here waiting for you. Okay, so it's going to show you how to automate your business, how to become a professional content creator. It shows you how to create content. Even if you want to create your own digital products, that's totally optional, okay? Everything is about automations, okay? And then how to use your YouTube for more exposure, how to close high tickets secrets, Instagram and scaling up your business, how to make money with ClickBank and TikTok without making videos. So we even show you how to do this in a faceless fashion. So if you want to get started and for whatever reason you're not comfortable with putting yourself out there in this type of format right now, like with a webcam, don't worry, because we have plenty of training, especially when you join with me, folks. I'm going to get you access to our digital growth community, and I'm going to show you what that looks like here momentarily. So please do stay tuned because the best is yet to come. And we teach you exactly how to create content in a simple, faceless fashion. So if you're more comfortable starting off going faceless, folks, we have the step-by-step training to plug you into so that you can start getting results without having to put yourself out there if you choose not to. If you're not comfortable, folks, I totally get it, okay? So everything is here for you. There's some special bonuses and incentives for travel as well. But let me just show you real quick what this looks like. Here's the TikTok marketing so you can see what I was referring to when I told you short step-by-step videos. So here's TikTok, intro to TikTok marketing. Okay, there's an introductory video, how to get started with TikTok. Then you watch this video. And see, these are broken down into simple little pieces. Okay, so they're easy to digest, easy to understand, grasp, and master. And you just, want, if you need to go back in and watch one more than one time, folks, do not worry. You can stop, you can rewind, you can pause, and you can rewatch as many times as you need to. You can take notes, however you learn, whatever fashion you learn the best in, folks, you can adapt this training, these videos to your style, okay? So how to get started with TikTok, how to drive massive traffic on TikTok. Here's another short video. Marketing strategy for conversions on TikTok. Bonus training, how to find winning hashtags. Hashtags is a big component of TikTok, and it shows you exactly how to find the ones that are winning, okay? So that you can get more exposure, and the more exposure you get, the more people that are going to see your TikTok, and then the more leads you typically should generate, and typically with regards to leads, and the numbers, you're going to be able to have more to be able to convert into paid signups, okay? It's just all just the way it, falls, folks, when it comes to marketing. It's all a numbers game, all right? But how to find winning hashtags, this is absolutely huge. This is some great, great bonus training. More bonus training, how to use your creativity with TikTok. This is absolutely ingenious. You're going to absolutely love this. Creating compelling content for TikTok. It even shows you how to create the best content. So everything you need to become a master over TikTok is included right in this training, okay? Effective affiliate promotions, building a community and engagement with TikTok, and last but not least, a conclusionary video. So there's 10 step-by-step videos to show you how to effectively and successfully utilize TikTok to maximize your potential and maximize your profits. It's absolutely amazing, folks. And it's very, very simple. It's step by step, okay? You just watch these videos, you go out, you apply, you implement, okay? Really doesn't get any easier. Again, there's no tech involved. It's all very beginner friendly, and it's a very easy to navigate back office. So I did save the best for last. Okay, now this is the community that I want to bring you into, where you're going to get additional supplemental training. And you're going to absolutely love this. So this is one of the biggest takeaways and one of the biggest benefits for you to join me, because you're going to get access to this community. Okay, and it's absolutely amazing because you're going to get additional bonus supplemental training, okay, above and beyond what is in the back office. Here's your getting started training. We're currently now in the midst of a 2024 Vision Sprint, a 90-day run, okay, and what we're showing you is how to master your CEO mindset, digital marketing skills, and launching your six-figure journey with a 2-hour workday. This is really a fun journey. So many people are winning, and we're here to uplift, inspire, motivate, and celebrate everybody's wins and successes, no matter how big or small they might be. Now see, here is additional supplemental TikTok training. This is absolutely ingenious. How to set up your business on automation. 6 figures in 6 months. Okay. Here is a multitude of free resources with the IPS digital products. How to discover your perfect customer. This is absolutely huge, because once you have a full grasp and understanding of who your perfect customer is, you're going to be able to tailor your content to match and reach your perfect customer. And then it's going to really become game over, folks. You're going to see some really super exciting things happening within your business. Your conversion should typically increase, and you should be well on your way to a successful path and successful journey in 2024 and beyond. This right here is absolutely amazing, okay? How to build a faceless brand. See how I mentioned earlier, folks? If you do not want to do, you don't want to reveal yourself and do face videos like this, folks, we show you how to build a faceless brand. And you could do that on TikTok too, by the way. But we have, some great training here with regards to Pinterest, okay? And then here's a 90-day ramp-up challenge. Here's mentoring and tech Zoom replays. And everything is recorded, by the way, too, folks, okay? And here is all the details on our last 90-day sprint, okay? So you can access that. But, this is above and beyond. Everything that you need to fully prepare you and equip you for success is literally right here. And let me just take you inside of the community. We're going to go to community. We're going to go to wins and shout outs. So before I close out, I just want to show you some amazing results of what's going on in this community because we're simply following this additional bonus training, this supplemental training, and the step-by-step blueprint. So look at all this, folks. $600, $7,500 in my first week and a half, 4 new leads, $2,500 for the week. Person got another ding. Here's another ding right here. First TikTok live. $600 days. $4,200 this month alone. I mean, look at this, folks. $50, 1,000 followers on TikTok. Another $50 sale. 2 days in a row. $300. Got another ding, another $600. $1,200 yesterday. $600 again today. Second sale. $600 ding. Look at that, $600, $450 since lunch, $1,500 in the last 48 hours. So that's $1,500 in the last 48 hours. I mean, look at this, folks. It's just, it continues down. I mean, there's no end in sight. $600 today. $10,000 by the 22nd of January is their goal. Okay. So this is just the first page, folks. I just wanted to share with you, so many people are winning. So many people are winning. So if you're ready to finally take action and turn things around for you in 2024, you can absolutely do so, folks, by following the step-by-step blueprint. And then I'm going to add you to our digital growth community. So you're going to get all this additional supplemental training, bonus training, and you're going to just be ready to take off, and great things will be coming your way too, folks. As long as you commit, show up every single day, and remain consistent with your marketing, folks. You've got to put into action what you're learning, okay? So we're going to equip you, though, with the skills that you're going to need to be successful, okay? It's all here, folks. This is the classroom, so this is above and beyond, and this is just jam-packed with tons and tons of value. I'm just going to click on this real quick. I can't really go into detail, but look at this. Every single day, okay, since we started beginning of January. These are simple little videos to show you exactly what to do when you show up, how to apply this information, this training into your business for the best results, okay? So here it is, day 1 through day 12, okay? And you just watch these videos and you go out there, you take massive action, you apply and implement exactly what you're learning. They even give you the emails, what to send. We have webinars every single week. These are the emails to send out to your invites. Here's content ideas for the week. So everything you need. This literally will eliminate the guesswork out of the equation. So you don't have to stress about how to do this, what to do, what to say. It's all provided for you. Content ideas. You watch these videos and you just take action, massive action. You apply and implement what you're learning, folks, and you have fun and you start, having these $600 days too. No reason why you can't, folks. The information is here. The training is here. It's all up to you to take it, run with it, and use it. So with that being said, folks, what I want you to do next is come to my website, dailypaybeginshere.com. So this is where you're going to go. So you know you're in the right location, dailypaybeginshere.com. Okay? And you might need to type this into your browser, but this essentially is my funnel, and this is what we refer to as our freedom funnel because it's set up to work practically on automations. This is about 90% automated. Okay, and all we're doing is using the blueprint to generate leads, build our email list. See, we're just collecting emails. So all you have to do is give a good email address and then click here, yes, send me the blueprint, and you'll go inside, you'll watch a short video, and then you'll be taken to another video. All right? So essentially, once you come here, this is where you're going to go next. Let me just show you what it looks like. Okay, you're going to be going to the thank you page, and you're going to watch this video right here. And then ultimately, if you're interested in finding out really all of the details, you'll click on this button right here. Yes, I'm ready to have a successful online business. And that's going to bring you directly to my sales page, where you're going to want to watch the company presentation right here that breaks it down into detail. Okay. And this is my little bio right here. So you'll have your own page. It's going to be customized directly to you. This is a simple 3-step system. Okay. And then you can review more testimonials right here. These are absolutely amazing, very inspiring. And then you're just going to pick the product package that best fits you. Okay. And you can always upgrade, pay the difference. Okay. We have 4 digital products, but again, by far, this has been our most popular, the $600 super affiliate, because it literally gives you everything you need. And, you know, unfortunately, you can only earn up to and including the level that you're at. So if you're anything like me, folks, I never ever wanted to leave money on the table. So I jumped all in, folks, came in to the 600 super affiliate. And when you are ready to get started, this tells you everything you're getting. There's even a nice little calculator you can have fun with for illustrative purposes. I do accept Cash App and all major debit and credit cards. So if you want to pay with a card, you just click on one of these buy now, blue and gold buy now buttons, okay? But I would highly encourage you to at least try to come in at the pro, because this is going to give you the 6-figure blueprint, which is highly sought after and just tons of value, folks, okay? But again, this is highly recommended. So I would encourage you to try to do, you know, everything that you can, you know, within your power to try to come in at the highest level, okay? Because this is everything you're getting right here. You can scroll down this little highlighted list, okay? And when you are ready to get started, I mean, just take a look at this. Once you get this going, okay, and you scale up, because this is very scalable, okay, with all of the training, I mean, endless supply of training. I mean, look, one of these a day. This is only one a day. This is potentially what your week could potentially look like. And this is what your month could potentially look like with just a single $600 daily. Okay. So if you want to come in here, this is my Cash App. This is buy now to pay with a card. And then you're getting all these bonuses too. Bonus 1, bonus 2, and bonus 3. Okay. So I just wanted to share with you that's what this looks like. And thank you so much for allowing me to come back in here and share with you, you know, one of the hottest affiliate digital product packages out there on the internet, folks. This is, you know, digital marketing. It's what we refer to as affiliate marketing, because you don't have to go out there and create your own products. You're simply reselling other people's digital products, and you are making and keeping 100% of the profit. Quite honestly, it doesn't get any better than that. It really doesn't. So my contact details will be below. If you are serious, I welcome all serious inquiries. Feel free to reach out to me, text me, call me. My number will be in the description, and you know where to go next. DailyPayBeginsHere.com. Okay, DailyPayBeginsHere.com. That link is going to be below in the description. You may need to just type it into your browser for whatever reason if it doesn't pull up. And this is the page that you should see. And then just enter your email. Take your time, come on through and have fun, review everything. And I'd love to welcome you in advance to the team, folks. We'll connect up. I'm always available to help. If you need any extra assistance, do not hesitate to reach out to me. You know, I'm very transparent and I do this full time. So thank you so much, and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.